guys, Saving with Sham here from my Walgreens video. I almost wanted to say Walmart. So listen, I'm back at Walgreens. Now, I was working on my deals last night, my transactions and such, you know, and we're just trying to roll our rewards to lower the out-of-pocket so that we're not paying as much. And then I remembered I had these Walgreens boosters. So I have two that are spend 20 get 5 and one that's spend 15 get 5. So I thought I could try to incorporate these this week and see how I do. Only thing is, I know that I'll probably pay a higher out of pocket because I'm using them, but I feel like I might be able to get more. At least I hope that's the case. And plus I wanted to kind of practice using these. Now I probably won't be using the higher boosters, the ones that are like, I've seen some people that have spend 60 get 12. I don't know if I'll be using those boosters, but I figured I could at least practice and use these smaller ones. Now if you're new here, because I don't know if I said that yet, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. I normally do Walmart, but we're trying to, you know, get out of our little bubble and kind of explore other stores. And so Walgreens was the first one that I decided to start with. I'm not perfect with it. I used to shop here a long time ago. And so I am back in that learning process of learning the store. Been watching a lot of YouTubers. If you guys have any recommendations, definitely drop them in the comments. And so I don't have a lot of time. I have a customer for me to 8 o'clock, which is in an hour. And so I'm gonna shoot in here. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got into do, keep on watching.
All right, so listen, the first deal that we're gonna do, or the first transaction, I want to use this this booster. It's spend 15 get back $5 Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna start off with the fruities. They are on sale for $3.99, and they're also buy 2 get back 3. Now for this, we do have a 3 off of 2 digital that you can use. Now there is one for the fruities and there's also one for the whole blend, so you could do either or. There's 2 different digitals, and the only thing about it is if you want to do both, you have to do them on separate transactions because it's only 1 reward per transaction. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab the fruities though. So $3.99 times 2 is $7.98. We'll take off the 3 off of 2 digital. That'll bring it down to $4.98, and then you'll get back 3. It'll make them 99 cents each. So that's the first. The next thing I'm going to grab is the Colgate Optic White. They are on sale for $5, and it is buy 2 get back a $5 registry reward. So 2 of them is going to be $10 minus a 4 off of 2 digital. You'll pay 6 and get back 5. It makes them only 50 cents each. Okay, so this is what we're grabbing for our first transaction. The total is $17.98 before coupons. After the digitals, which is $7, we'll pay $10.98. We'll get back 3 for the fruities, 5 for the Colgate, and then we get back 5 in Walgreens cash, making this $8.02 money maker. So let's go check. Okay, so this worked out pretty good. There goes our Colgate, our Garnier. Both of our digitals came off. There goes the point booster right there. I got back 5 in Walgreens cash, and then we got back the 8 in rewards. So that worked out perfect. Let's go ahead and go on to the next transaction. Look at, they barely have anything left. In fact, all they have left is conditioners. So the next deal that we're going to grab is the Dove. Dove is on promotion this week. They are buy 1 get 1 50% off, and it's also buy 4 get back 10. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 of these. They're priced at $6.49 for the first one. Second one is $3.24, so the total for 4 is $19.46. We do have a 4 off of 4 digital. That'll bring the total down to $15.46. You'll get back the 10 in rewards, making them only $1.36 each. So what I'm doing is I'm going to roll in the $8 in rewards from our first transaction along with the $5 Walgreens cash. I'll pay $2.46 out of pocket, and I'll get back the 10. So let's go try that.
That had to be too good to be true, y'all. Okay, so my 10 didn't print. I'm so mad. OMG. I told the young, he was a cool cashier too. excuse me, I was like, I was on a roll too because I didn't have a lot of time. So I gotta contact Catalina, which sucks. Cause I was just like, I was on a roll and it was just like, so dang, that sucks. So I gotta contact Catalina. So what I'm probably gonna do, I gotta go meet this customer right now. And I can't do anything else as far as this until I contact them. And I haven't had to contact Catalina in forever. So, but this was my last receipt. Let me show you really quick. It worked out, but I didn't get the, well, hell, it didn't work out. I didn't get the Catalina. So what I think I'm going to do, there's a Walgreens next to where I meet my customer. And I think I'm going to go in there with my second card and see what I can do. And so hopefully I'll be back. Hopefully I'll be back. And so, yeah. We're at a different store. I've just met my customer. I have my little big head with me. So listen, that last deal didn't work out, obviously, because I didn't get the reward that was supposed to print with the Dove. So I'm gonna use the registry rewards that I got on my other card, which is $7, to help lower the out of pocket. And then I'm gonna use another booster, spend 20, get back 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab, and this is the same card. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the whole blends again, $3.99 each. Buy 2, get back 3, $7.98 minus 3 off of 2 digital. You'll pay $4.98. You'll get back a 3. Makes 99 cents each. So we're gonna grab 2 of these first. Okay, as far as the Tresemme, it looks like they literally only have 2 that are priced at $6. I have this one here, and then they have this one over here. So if I grab both of those, it's on sale for $6 each, and it's buy 2, get back 5. So if I grab these 2, then it'll be $12, and then we have a 5 off of 2 digital. And that'll bring it down to paying $7, and then you get back the 5. It makes them $1 a piece. I did hear that there is also offers on Shopkick for Tresemme as well. This is $19.98. So I'm gonna add the little camera, which is 50 cents, so that I can get over 20, so I can use this booster, the spin booster. So that'll bring the total to $20.48, and then we're gonna save $3 off of the whole blends, 5 off of the Tresemme. It'll bring it down to $12.48, and then I'm gonna roll $7 in rewards from my other card, and then we'll pay $5.48 out of pocket. Then we'll get back 3 in rewards for the whole blends, 5 for the Tresemme, and 5 in Walgreens cash. So hopefully this works out really good. My cashier was so awesome, you guys. She was so sweet. She let me know that sometimes it doesn't work if you have 2 different scents, and I thought I saw someone mention that in one of the many videos that I was watching on Walgreens. So she scanned one of them twice. That was so nice. So there goes our Tresemme at the top. There goes the whole blends. And I added the candy. All of our digitals came off. There goes the spin booster at the very top. And then I rolled $7 in rewards. I paid $5.48. We got back the 5 in Walgreens cash, and we also got back the 8 in rewards. This next deal is on the Olay. You could either grab the Olay or the Old Spice. Their price is $7, and it's buy 3, get back 8. All right, so getting 3 of these is going to be $21. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital. You'll end up paying $13 out of pocket. I get back $8 in rewards, so it makes them $2.66 each. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the 13 that I just got, and I'll pay 3 out of pocket, and then I'll get back the 8. So okay, so that worked out. There goes our Old Spice. I used the 5 off 3 digital. I used $8 in rewards plus $5 Walgreens cash, and we got back the 8 right here. I think I'm gonna roll it into paper towels. Scott's paper towels. These rolls look so damn. Aren't these rolls tiny? Like, what the foolery, sorcery is going on here? OMG, it's so small. The rolls are so tiny.
I might want to just get tissue paper instead of getting those. Okay, they are buy one, get one 50% off. They're $5 each. And then I believe there's $1. I think there's $1 digital for the tissue paper, I want to say. So what is that? 5 and 5 is 10 minus 250 is 750 minus $1 digital is 650. And then I want to use this 8, so I have to spend an extra $1.50, I want to say. Let me see if they have any baggies, because I think those are still buy one get two free. So this is what we're gonna be grabbing to burn through that $8 reward right there we got on the Old Spice, I think it was. Was it Old Spice? Yeah. And so we're gonna grab the Scots. There's $1 digital for that. And then the Ziploc bags are buy one get two free. Those are priced at $3.49. So the total for all products will be $9.99. After the $8 reward, we'll pay $1.99. I think I might have $1 in Walgreens cash I'll roll, and then we should pay 99 cents. I was gonna grab the Airwick. I think I saw Colt post this deal. If you guys are not following him, he is freaking amazing at Walgreens. Let me just say that. And so I think he posted this deal. I'll pop up his channel. Like, when I grow up, I want to be like that guy. Like, yeah, because Walgreens is not really my store. I'm still learning it. So yeah, definitely go check him out. But I was going to grab this, $3.99. There is a $3 digital. It'll be 99 cents. Not a bad deal if you need something that's a filler. I was going to grab it, but I was just like, look, let me get what I need. And I already have a gazillion of these that I don't even need. I got to give them away just to get rid of them. So definitely something that I don't need. So yeah. That worked out really good, you guys. I guess the Ziploc bags were $2.79. I thought they were $3.49. And so I didn't have a filler or anything. The cashier was super awesome, and look, he manually entered it for $7.70. I didn't know they could do that. But that is so cool. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket for this stuff here. So we're gonna shoot home and give you guys a total breakdown of everything that I got. Alright, y'all. So this is my complete haul for today. Y'all saw there was that hiccup with that dove. And I was just like, I was just standing there almost like dumbfounded, like, what the am I supposed to do now? Like, that was my second transaction. Like, where do I go from here? I was like, where am I? Who am I? What am I? And so yeah, I guess that is a possibility of things that could go wrong. And if you're rolling your rewards and you have nothing to roll, then what do you do, right? And so I suppose you could just pay the money out of pocket for that next transaction and continue rolling, and then get the 10 back later. So I went ahead and just used the $7 in rewards that I got on my other account last week. So I wrote that in and continued. As far as anything else, all my digitals worked, which was cool. I really wanted Olay, but all they had 3 of was the Old Spice. What else? Other than that, y'all, this worked out pretty good. Now, I did notice on my last receipt with the Scots and the Ziploc bags, he didn't charge me for the tissue. I didn't notice it at the time. I just was wondering why my total was so low, because I expected to pay like $2 out of pocket after my reward, and I paid nothing. And so I was looking at my receipt, didn't see the tissue, obviously didn't see the $1 digital, and so I didn't pay for that. So yeah. But yeah, so we went in with nothing and we came out with nothing. And rewards, I think I only have like $1.22 for Walgreens cash. And hopefully I get back the 10 in rewards on the Dove. I did contact support, like I said. They only have it where you do the form online, support catalina.com. And so yeah. Here's all my receipts. I believe you've seen them all already. And so everything that you see here retails $86.71. I had $24 in digitals. I rode $10 in Walgreens cash. I also rode $26.79 in registry rewards. Brought the out of pocket down to $25.92. Hopefully I get back that 10 in rewards will bring this down to $15.92 or 83 cents each, which is not bad. Obviously, my goal is $10. That's my budget, so I definitely went over my budget. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. And in the comments, what's your favorite deal? And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.